Amazon has become a global e-commerce powerhouse, allowing businesses and individuals to reach millions of customers worldwide. For South African entrepreneurs, selling on Amazon can be a lucrative way to expand their market reach and grow their businesses. However, navigating the platform can be challenging, especially for beginners. This step-by-step guide will walk you through selling on Amazon in South Africa in 2025. Step 1. Understand Amazon's global selling program. Before diving into selling on Amazon, it's essential to understand how the platform works for international sellers. Amazon's global selling program allows sellers from countries like South Africa to list their products on Amazon marketplaces in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, and other regions. This means you can sell to customers worldwide without needing a physical presence in those countries. Key points to consider. Amazon charges fees for selling, including referral fees and fulfillment fees. You'll need to comply with the rules and regulations of the marketplace you choose to sell in. Currency conversion will be handled by Amazon, but you may incur additional banking fees. Step 2. Choose your selling plan. Amazon offers two main selling plans. Individual plan, ideal for small-scale sellers or those just starting. You pay 99 cents per item sold, plus additional fees. Professional plan, suitable for larger businesses or those planning to sell more than 40 items per month. This plan costs $39.99 per month, plus additional fees. For most South African sellers, the professional plan is recommended if you plan to scale your business. Step 3. Register for an Amazon seller account. To start selling, you'll need to create an Amazon seller account. Here's how. Go to Amazon Seller Central. Click on Start Selling, and choose your marketplace, e.g., Amazon.com for the US or Amazon.co.uk for the UK. Provide your email address and create a password. Fill in your business information, including your legal business name, address, and contact details. Provide your tax information. South African sellers will need to apply for a U.S. Employer Identification Number, EIN, if selling in the U.S. or provide their VAT number for European marketplaces. Verify your identity and set up your payment method. Step 4. Research and choose your products. Product selection is critical to your success on Amazon. Consider the following when choosing what to sell. Demand. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or Amazon's best sellers list to identify high-demand products. Competition. Avoid overly saturated markets unless you have a unique selling proposition. Profit margins. Factor in Amazon fees, shipping costs, and customs duties to ensure profitability. Regulations. Ensure your products comply with the laws and regulations of the marketplace you're selling in. Popular product categories for South African sellers include handmade crafts, natural beauty products, and unique African-inspired items. Step 5. Source or manufacture your products. Once you've chosen your products, you'll need to source or manufacture them. Options include local suppliers, partner with South African manufacturers or wholesalers. Importing. Import products from countries like China, but be mindful of import duties and shipping costs. Handmade. If you're creating your products, ensure they meet Amazon's quality standards. Step 6. List your products on Amazon. Creating a compelling product listing is key to attracting customers. Follow these steps. Log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Click on Add a Product, and enter the product details, including title, description, images, and keywords. Optimize your listing with high-quality images, clear descriptions, and relevant keywords to improve visibility. Set your price competitively, considering Amazon fees and your desired profit margin. Step 7. Decide on fulfillment method. Amazon offers two main fulfillment options: Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, where Amazon stores, packs, and ships your products and handles customer service. This is ideal for sellers who want to focus on growing their business. Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM, where you handle storage, packing, and shipping yourself. This option gives you more control but requires more effort. For South African sellers, FBA is often the better choice, as it allows you to store your products in Amazon's warehouses closer to your customers, reducing shipping times and costs. Step 8. Ship your products to Amazon, if using FBA. If you opt for FBA, you'll need to ship your products to an Amazon fulfillment center. Here's how. Create a shipping plan in Seller Central. Package your products according to Amazon's guidelines. Choose a reliable international shipping provider to transport your goods to the designated fulfillment center. Track your shipment and ensure it arrives on time. Step 9. Promote your products. To stand out on Amazon, you'll need to invest in marketing. Consider the following strategies. Amazon advertising. Use sponsored products and sponsored brands to increase visibility. Social media marketing. Promote your products on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Email marketing. Build an email list and send promotions to your subscribers. Amazon deals. Participate in Amazon's lightning deals or coupons to attract bargain hunters. Step 10. Monitor and optimize your performance. Once your products are live, regularly monitor your performance using Amazon Seller Central. Key metrics to track include sales volume, customer reviews and ratings, advertising performance, inventory levels. Use this data to optimize your listings, adjust pricing, and improve customer satisfaction. Step 11. Stay compliant with tax and legal requirements. Selling internationally comes with tax and legal obligations. Ensure you register for VAT in the countries you're selling to, if required. Comply with import-export regulations. Keep accurate records for tax purposes. Consult with a tax professional or legal advisor to ensure you meet all requirements. Step 12. Scale your business. As your sales grow, look for ways to scale your business. This could include expanding to additional Amazon marketplaces, adding new products to your catalog, investing in automation tools to streamline operations, building a brand presence outside of Amazon. Final thoughts. Selling on Amazon in South Africa in 2025 offers immense opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to put in the effort. By following this step-by-step guide, you can navigate the complexities of international e-commerce and build a successful Amazon business. Remember, success on Amazon requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Start small, learn from your experiences, and scale strategically to achieve long-term growth. Good luck, and happy selling.